Hey guys, Tommy with Monts Family Homestead. Hey, really excited today. We had a company reach out to us, Grub Terra, that I guess saw one of our videos on our chickens and our quail. Reached out to us to see if we wanted to try their product. I have seen some reviews on this, and I've seen a lot of great response. So we're going to actually try our chickens and our quail just to see how they do. There we are. And it does have a resealable bag to it also. I like that. I'll pick that up in a little while. Don't have any fingernails, y'all. Well, this is sad, isn't it? There, maybe right there. I'm not gonna cut this video because we're gonna get this right. Ha! There we go. Now I'll let you look and see what this looks like. It's black soldier fly larva. Let me get you a shot of that. Now, we haven't tried our chickens on this yet, so let's see how they do. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit here on the ground and see what they do. See if they're interested anyway. Oh, yes, sir. They're saying, wait a minute, look at here. All right. Well, just while we're here, I tell you what, let's run over and do the quail. Let me shut this up so the dogs won't get in. All righty. Let me reach right here and get like a handful or so. Undo her pin. Whoop, don't you go anywhere. There we go. Whoop, get back over there. Hey, don't you fly out of here. Let's see here. I may have to crush them up just a little bit. Oh yeah. Back up just a little from there. There we go. All right. All right, guys, if you want a bag of Grub Terra, 10% off. Now, this is made in New Jersey. This is made in the United States of America. So go to grubterra.com. In the promo code, put GRUB, that's capital G-R-U-B, the number 10, and you will get 10% off of your order. Hey, thank you for watching Monts Family Homestead. God bless you and have a great day.